Well, hello there. I'm certainly glad you could join us today. As you can see, I've got a beautiful little sunset on my eyes. Look at my hand on my face now. I look great, don't I? I look beautiful. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do this. First, you got to whip out your little watercolor set, your MORPHE 35B palette, and you got to just sprinkle it on the eyelids there. Just sprinkle it on. No pressure, just dab, 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 dab. There you go. And we can do whatever we want in our little world. Oh, and there you go. There's my Instagram. You can just go follow that if you want. You don't have to. And you just gotta get right in the corners all the way out. Don't do it too much though, because you can't overpower this red. Yeah, blink, blink. I look great. Back to the watercolors. You gotta use that little pink. And you just gotta dab it in again. No pressure. Barely touch it. Barely touch it. Make sure you blend it perfectly. Otherwise, you could end up with white skin and then some big red thing on your eye. You don't want that. You want this look. This looks good. You see? There you go. I'm gonna get this little white cream. I'm just gonna paint my eyelid. Oh God, I got it all over my eyelashes. It doesn't matter though. Don't worry. There's no such thing as a mistake in our little world. Keep going like that. Don't worry about this because we're going to blend it later, okay? Oh God, look at that face. You gotta go back up to the white here. I don't know what happened just then. Okay. Gotta dab it in, dab, 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 dab. You gotta go back to the yellow. We're gonna add a little sun now in the corner of the eye. Where should we put this sun? We'll just put it in there. That's very nice. Remember, you can do anything in your world. This is your world. Anything can happen. There you go. And you just gotta dab it in. You get a bit of orange there just to accentuate the sun. Just gotta dab, 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 dab. And you just gotta go back to the pink. We're going back to the pink now. Just gotta dab it in. Dab, 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 dab. And this is all just blending nicely together to create a beautiful little sunset sky. As you can see, we're back to the yellow, back to the little sun. We're gonna just blend it all in now. Oh, doesn't that look great? Oh, doesn't that look great? You just gotta blend, 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 blend. You just keep blending. We're gonna go to this little, I don't even know what color that is, but we're putting it on. You know why we're putting it on? Because it's our world. Anything can happen. Just gonna brush it in, brush, 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 brush. Look at that. Look at that. And now we're going on to the eyeliner. We're just gonna do a little line. Nothing too intense. You see, just gotta draw it on. You gotta make sure it's sharp. Gotta make sure it's sharp at the end. You know, you don't want a blunt line. You do not want a blunt line. As you can see, I'm just continuing to fill in the line here all the way along my eyelid. And this is really going to make the sun stand out. And all the colors, all the beautiful sunset colors, as you can see. I certainly love doing this. I think I look great here. We got the Maybelline Lash Sensational in black, okay? It's in black. You don't want a different color than black for the eyelashes, you know. It'll look a little strange, you know. There you go. There you go. Oh, okay. We're actually putting some eyelashes on. 2 eyelashes. There you go. Yeah, okay. Back to the sun. Back to the sun. We're just gonna add a little bit of a sun underneath. You know, I'm not too sure why, but you know, you don't have to have a reason. And we're just blending now. Blending underneath the eye. This is our little world. Anything can happen. We're going back to the happy little pink down at the bottom there. We're just gonna sprinkle it on. Nothing too outrageous. Just look at that. There you go. There you go. Oh my gosh, did you just see that? Did you see that? That is pure magical. That is right there. We're going down to the lips now, on the bottom lip. We don't want anything too outrageous on the lips because we want all the attention to be on the eyes. Very good. That's what we want to see. Oh, got a bit in the corner of my mouth. Oh no, this is not going as I wanted it to go. There we go. There we go. Barely touch it. Just glide it along. Barely touch it. No pressure. How's that? You like that? I like that. We're back to the hand on the face. Well, doesn't that look quite amazing? If I may say so myself. I'd like to thank you all for watching today. Please join us again soon and follow the links that I'm pointing at right now. And you have yourselves a wonderful day. God bless.